In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the GaMBLeRs EA on my XNESS account for months. And zounds, it's gambled my stakes to plus 41.07% gains with the panache of a parodic probability prince. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that turns risk into reward without the ruin. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this GaMBLeRs virtuoso of volatility. Ah, the zip folder for the GaMBLeRs. EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract. Here liberates the ex4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the ex4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the GaMBLeRs EA to XAUUSD's M15 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet. And there the GaMBLeRs EA parades its plus 41.07%. Absolute gain escapade on EXNESS, ballooning deposits into a tidy balance with solid profit after partial withdrawals. Daily 41.07% chuckles. Short burst, but potent. Monthly matching that explosive start. Equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a prolonged nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that play aggressive edges. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the GaMBLeRs EA's built-in AI-powered risk engine and scalable drawdown controls that keep the house from winning too often. Get this. Net profit clean and growing fast. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on volatile XAUUSD without turning into a casino blowup. Drawdown's only 18.83% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity stays calm, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions, minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold time's reasonable for M15 entries. This month's analytics? A handsome bar showing strong profit with the graph barely dipping. It's not endless fireworks, but it's thriving boldly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers explosive short-term gains with disciplined risk, this GaMBLeRs EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the GaMBLeRs EA on MT4 with ticks from recent data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $2,831.88. Gross profits $10,339, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall, average trade positive with max drawdown low absolute, aggressive yet controlled performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, if the GaMBLeRs EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting GaMBLeRs EA strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.